Every week, I meet people who are capable of so much more than their job title. So what do? I help unleash that potential and allow organisations to build teams with the talent that they can't afford to lose.
Please welcome to the stage, Annette Minihan.
Brilliant people don't stall because of lack of ambition.
They stall because they don't know the unwritten rules of work. They are shy about being visible. And sometimes they are afraid to dream big enough. I've spent 25 years working across 35 different countries with leadership teams, helping them build teams that actually drive their business forward. And how do we do that? We create visibility, momentum, and make career goals something that everybody can actually achieve.
We spend 30% of our lives in work. Gosh, yeah, 30% of our waking life basically hanging out in work. So that's why it's not an option. We've actually got to find ways to be the right person in the right role, in the right job at the right time.
After years hiring globally, I wanted to build something more impactful, a way to share career management insights so that people had access to the information. That's how Careers Unpacked began. So what is Careers Unpacked? It's a global training consultancy business that delivers three things: interactive workshops, keynotes, and executive coaching that helps people love their jobs and Monday mornings. Everything I teach is grounded in real life experience, not theory. The work we do together is practical, it's interactive, and most importantly designed to be usable the moment you leave the room.
What got you here won't get you there. And it really is true, because what got you into the room today means that you're brilliant at what you do today, perhaps on the technical side. But to get to the next level, it's about leaving some of that technical skills and issues to one side and actually playing a slightly different game, which is what they expect from you at the next level up.
The moment people get the right insights at the right time, something magical happens. And suddenly you see that person going from "I'm stuck, I'm afraid" to "oh my gosh, I can actually do this." At the end of the day, my work is really simple. I help organisations build teams that love coming to work on a Monday morning.